Alright, so a gym routine is a major key to building muscle. So here's what I do week in, week out. Monday is a chest and triceps day, standard. 5 chest exercises and 3 tricep exercises. If you're a beginner, I'd say start with 2 tricep exercises. Tuesday, by far my best day. Back and biceps. 5 back exercises and 3 bicep exercises. And remember, time under tension with biceps. Wednesday is leg day, and I focus on my glutes and my hamstrings for explosive movements. 5 leg exercises to keep you powerful. On to Thursday, and we keep it moving. Shoulders and traps session. 5 shoulder exercises, and make sure you're hitting the front, rear, mid delt. Another one of my favorite days, arms day, Friday, and it's supersets only. Kick it off with 2 tricep exercises, superset, followed by 2 bicep exercises, and then repeat. The last 2 exercises will be a bicep and a tricep that you'll hit together, and then you're done. See you back on Monday. Let's go.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की.
Here's a simple but challenging 3 exercise back day that effectively targets the back from top to bottom. If you want complete back development, then this workout's for you. Start with a row that has you pulling the arms in line with the side of your torso. If you have a machine like this, then perfect. This is going to be a lat bias row, so think about driving your upper arm down and back as you're pulling. Do 6 to 8 reps of that, and then we're switching to a row that has you pulling with the upper arm closer to in line with the shoulders. This is an upper back bias row, so I want you to think about squeezing your traps as hard as possible as your arms pass your torso. Allow your upper back to round at the end of the eccentric so that we're working the upper back through its full contractile range. 6 to 8 reps of that as well, and then we're moving on to pull downs. I'm pulling with my arms in line with the side of my torso, so I get a bit more mid to low lat out of this movement. Make sure you're pulling down as far as possible as the lats get worked really well at the bottom of the movement. Do anywhere from 8 to 10 reps and you've got a complete back workout. You could always add in some other bicep or elbow flexor movements after this. Or even tricep, shoulders, or hey, even legs. The world is your oyster.
Evidence that there are considerate and non-creepy men in the gym.
It's a velvet belt, so me and my friend made it so that we can hip thrust and do weekends like this, and all the barbells are taken, and release from my little corner and do my workout. Yeah, dumbbells, whatever.
Oh, that thing's awesome. Definitely gonna have to get one of those. Thank you, I won't bother you.
Yeah.
I have failed you, Anakin. I have failed you.
What have you